Hello viewers, today we are told to simplify x squared minus y squared over x squared plus xy. For this, we can see clearly there's what we call difference of two squares, which you all know. Let me write it. We know difference of two squares. And what's the rule? It said if I have two things to be a squared minus b squared is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. We all know this, right? Now, clearly, we have something at the numerator here. We have x squared minus y squared. We can rewrite this to be x plus y, x minus y, right? So that means our numerator can be written as that. That means all of this, we're going to have something for this to be x plus y, x minus y over, we're having x squared plus xy, right? And this can be reduced down to, because we still have something we can use here. Let me write this to be x plus y, x minus y over, we have something common here. We have x, right? So let's factor out x. I'll be left with x into, if I factor out x from x squared, I will have x plus, if I factor out x plus xy from xy rather, I'll have this. And you can see clearly this can cancel this out. I'm having nothing left but x minus y over x. I can take this to be the simplified term, or if I like, I can just make it to be x over x minus y over x, which x cancels x. I can have 1 minus this. Thanks for watching.